a lot of difference in our lives. And I hope that you all continue to keep joining us every day. And we had Dr. Ashima Shukla joining us today for a talk about happiness and health, but unfortunately, she had an asthmatic attack in the evening. So she's unable to take our session, but I have kind of requested Mrs. Neelam to take on this session. I will just speak a little about her also. And I am really very thankful to her and very grateful that at the last minute also, though she's never done this earlier and she's never spoken in public, she has still agreed to do it for all you elders here and be a part of this and conduct this show for us. So just to tell you more about what we are doing today, we continue on a similar path of health and happiness, but in a little different manner than what Dr. Ashima Shukla had planned, but the main topic still remains almost the same. So it's a very common misconception that yoga is just about the repetition of a few postures. However, on the contrary, it is more about the exploration of subtle energies of life. Both the mind and body of a human being need utmost care, and that is when the power of yoga comes into play. So today we have with us Mrs. Neelam, who's a known and respected Sahaj Yoga follower. So devoting some time from your daily routine to Sahaj Yoga is bound to pay off in the long run. It won't just allow you to take charge of your life and feel good about the choices you make, but will also help you in gaining energy and feeling more fit from within. Small changes indeed make a huge difference. And we at Emoha are keen to help you attain a healthy lifestyle by making minor but significant changes. So without taking any more of your time, let's welcome and learn some basics of Sahaj Yoga from Mrs. Neelam. Over to you, Mrs. Neelam. And thank you once again for joining us at such a short notice. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Namaskar to everybody. Good evening.
Namaskar and good evening.
I'm very, very happy to be here. And like Ritu has said, I've not done this ever before. But anyway, it had to happen today. And so I'm here. And so just bear with me as I take you through a little introductory session of meditation of a different kind. And as we all know, we are, some of you have heard me speak on the sessions, some of the morning sessions and the afternoon sessions, but you probably are seeing me for the first time, so you might be familiar with my voice. But anyway, that was a little something about me. Now, as we are all in a lockdown position, and we interpret this in a different way, in a positive way. And planet Earth, our Mother Earth, has closed itself naturally. And can we have the first slide, Gaurav? So planet Earth is a living organism, and so are we. We are living human beings. And just the way the planet Earth needed this time to restore itself after years and years and years of abuse by humanity, similarly, we in our lives have also somewhere down the path, we have made knowingly or unknowingly some mistakes. And we need to also, and therefore we face certain kinds of problems. It could be physical, it could be mental, it could be emotional. So when we can't go outside these days, we can stay indoors. Slide 2, please. So just that, Gaurav, can we have the second slide? So just as physically हम लोग अंदर रह रहे हैं और हम लोग अपना बचाव करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो ये टाइम हम बहुत अच्छे से यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं, जैसे आप लोग सब कर रहे हैं, with the help of all the care and concern and all the programs Imoha is bringing to you while sitting at home and making good use of your time. And this time for rest and relaxation and repair that nature has given to us, we need to also not just stay indoors physically, but we need to go indoors, inside of us, and learn to recognize what we are on the inside and how we can learn to know ourselves and how we can learn to fix ourselves, heal ourselves, repair ourselves. Now, how do we do this? So we have a system inside us, and we are going to do this by a little meditation, which is called Sahaj Yoga meditation. And let me explain to you the meaning of Sahaj. सहा मतलब साथ, ज मतलब जन्मा हुआ. सो आपके साथ, जैसे आपने जन्म लिया, तो आपके साथ आपकी बॉडी में एज अ न्यू बॉर्न बेबी यू हैड ऑल द सिस्टम्स इनसाइड अस, योर सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, योर नर्वस सिस्टम, digestive system, and so on. Similarly, we have a subtle system inside us, which is a system of energy. Now, energy cannot be seen, but it can be felt. All right. So we have to utilize this hardware that we were born with, software that we have since our birth, and we have to utilize this system to connect ourselves to the main power of the universe. And ये सहज ही होता है, ये अपने आप होता है. जैसे living, the earth is a living organism. We are living human beings, and we have to take care of our well-being and health. And good health and well-being means not just the absence of disease, but an overall sense of well-being. Now, well-being encompasses a lot of aspects: physical well-being, emotional well-being, mental well-being, and so on. And most of all, spiritual well-being. And we are physical beings. We have a physical body. We have a brain which thinks, mental. We have a heart which has emotional being. And we also are spiritual beings. So इस सब का जब connection एक दूसरे से होता है, body integrated way में काम करती है, so we can then experience a sense of total well. All right. So yoga in literal terms means connection. Connection of what? Connection of us as individual beings to the all-pervading power of the universe, which is all around us. कण कण में वो सृष्टि को जो चलाने वाली शक्ति है, वो हम उससे घिरे हुए हैं, वो हमारे चारों ओर है. हमने उसकी तरफ कभी ध्यान नहीं किया. उसी में हमारी हवा आती है, उसी में सब कुछ, सारे 5 तत्व हैं. But it is an all-pervading power. And the founder of Surge Yoga says that you cannot, slide 3 please, you cannot know the meaning of your life until you are connected to the power that created you. So in Surge Yoga, we are going to utilize our inner subtle system, get it activated today, get it triggered into start position, and then utilize this our own system to connect to the all-pervading power and get our true yoga. Yoga means connection, like I told you. And then we hope that you will be able to feel this, because this whole system, as I'm going to explain you shortly, is a living connection, is a living system inside of us. All right. So let's start with that. And another thing on the side I'd like to tell you, Sahaj also means spontaneous, which happens by itself. And आज की जो ये मीटिंग प्लान हुई है, जो मैं आपके सामने बैठी हूँ और आपसे ये सब शेयर कर रही हूँ, ये भी अचानक और सहज ही हुआ. Like Ritu has said, that the person who was supposed to take the session took to being a little unwell. And we've been talking about this, but this was not planned for today. So ऐसे ही बात करते करते ऐसे ही बड़ा casually Ritu suggested, and I kind of said, okay, let me see, and so I'm here. Anyway, so now can we remove this slide? Can you just remove this slide? All right. So now behind me, chart. And this is the chart of our subtle system. You may not be able to read everything. That doesn't matter. All you need to know is just have a fair idea as to what our internal system is all about. I'll explain it. And this whole system and this knowledge about the subtle system and this technique of meditation was given to us by the lady whose picture you are seeing here. You can also see the picture here. So her name, initially when she was born, Nirmala Salve, she got married and then she became Mrs. Nirmala Srivastav. And then now the world, where she has been recognized as the greatest spiritual teacher of all times, having gone to more than 150 countries and given self-realization and this yoga free of cost to whoever wants it. She is lovingly revered and referred to as the Holy Mother, Shri Mataji, or just Mother. So she has given us, so जो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगी वो ज्ञान जो बहुत पुराना है, ancient है, सभी scriptures में mentioned है, but बहुत ही simple way में श्री माता जी ने हमें आम जनता को दिया, ताकि इस difficult और dangerous time कि हम नहीं जान पाते हैं till we are connected to this all-pervading power. इससे connect करके हम every day through meditation we get to know more and more of ourselves, and then by knowing ourselves we get to know our Creator also. उसको जिस भी नाम से पुकारें, that doesn't matter. All right. So should we go ahead with the little explanation? Is everybody ready for a little explanation of the subtle system?
Sure.
All right. So as you can see, there's a little child here. So this meditation can be done by people of any age group, irrespective of nationality, caste, color, race, religion, anything, because this subtle system is inside each human being. It consists of 3 main channels. Like you can see, there is a blue channel, which is the left channel. At the forehead, it goes into the right side of the brain. This is also called our channel of desire and emotions and our past. It is our feminine side. Then we have the right channel, which you can see, which is like a little red or a yellow. It goes, and this is the channel of our action, of our future planning, and all the work that we do, all the physical, mental work that we do throughout our lives. Uski energy hame is right channel, ye right nari se aati hai. Ye right nari forehead ke level pe jaake left side of the brain mein cross karti. Then we have the central channel, which is the channel of our evolution. It is the channel which helps us to, when connected through this channel, when we get connected to the all-pervading power, it can help us remain in the present moment. Now, in the morning session, Dr. Parvez was telling us कि हमारे thoughts आते हैं, left से, past के आते हैं, future के आते हैं, present में हम नहीं रह सकते हैं. He was very right there. But इस सिस्टम को हम यूज करके, जो हमारा अपना ही सिस्टम है, इसकी मदद लेके हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रेजेंट में रहने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं. And again, it's work in progress. It's a living process. This is a living system which is inside of you. This whole system of the 3 channels, past, future, present, along with 7 energy centers, okay? And this is all inside the spinal cord. It's a system of energy. And spinal cord and the brain, they have nerves which are going to all parts of the body, and they're connected to our fingertips and every part of the body. And so when this system gets activated, we should be able to feel something on our body, on our hands, on fingertips, or somewhere in the body, because the living energy, about which I'll just tell you, gets triggered into awakening, and then it helps us to connect. So this energy that I'm talking about is called the mother energy or the Kundalini energy. Kundal संस्कृत में मतलब होता है coiled, ठीक है? तो इसलिए, and it's a feminine energy. इसी ने ही हमारे शरीर को बनाया जब हम अपनी माँ के गर्भ में थे 9 महीने. And it created our body. हमारे को create करने के बाद जो बच गई energy, वो हमारी sacrum bone, which is the second last bone of the vertebral column. And the Greek doctors who coined this medical terminology for different parts of the body intuitively somehow knew कि इस अस्थि में कुछ पवित्रता है. इसलिए उन्होंने, without even knowing, they called this bone sacrum. And like Dr. Anurag tells us, you know, he talks about the lower spine, so he says sacrum. He brings this up. So this is that part of the vertebral column, जिसके अंदर ये energy 3.5 coils में dormant बैठी है आपके जन्म से. Can we have slide 4? Slide 4. So apart from this energy, which is called the Kundalini, we also have in our heart, we have the spirit, जिसको हम आत्मा बोलते हैं. Now, spirit is the reflection of the Paramatma, the supreme spirit inside us. So the spirit in the heart, the Kundalini energy in the sacrum bone, these 7 energy centers, the 3 channels, they make up the subtle system or the subtle body of energy which each human being is born with. Now, ये energy कैसे आती है हमारे शरीर में और ये कैसे हमारे शरीर को बनाती है? I'll tell you briefly. जब fetus 2.5-3 महीने का होता है माँ के गर्भ में, when a woman is pregnant about 2.5 to 3 months, so an energy from the universe enters the mother's body and it enters the fetus, which is growing. At that point of time, the fetus is only just multiplying in a manner like, say, 1 cell becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, 4 becomes 8, in that manner. It is multiplying. Around that time when this energy enters the fetus, it starts to do specialized work. That means it starts to make the skin, it starts to make the lungs, it starts to make the heart and all the organs and the systems of the body. And as we're all aware, कि हमारे सारे systems का function अलग है, उनके cells, उनका सब कुछ अलग है. It is a very special function each organ performs, and therefore each cell has to be created that way. So ये जो special work है, ये mother energy करती है, जो universe का ही part है हमारे अंदर. और जब baby 9 months में ready हो जाता है born होने के लिए, तब बची हुई ये energy अपने आप को coil करके sacrum bone में जाके स्थित हो जाती है, dormant हो जाती है, और तब से ये वेट कर रही है कि कब मेरा ये बच्चा, जो आप अकेले इसके बच्चे हैं, इसने आप ही का शरीर बनाया, so you are its only child, it's waiting कि कब मेरे इस बच्चे को मेरे बारे में पता चलेगा. And like a mother loves her child, takes care of her child, like the birth mother, हम सबकी mothers हैं, हम सबके भाई बहन भी हैं, तो हमारी एक birth mother है. But हमारी जो कुंडलिनी एनर्जी है, ये मदरिंग एनर्जी है, ये हमारे अंदर सेक्रम बोन में सिर्फ हमारी माँ है. हम केवल इसी के बच्चे हैं, इसका और कोई बच्चा नहीं, because it's part of the energy of the universe inside of us. And because it created us, and from our birth till this moment, till this day, which is April 4th, 6 p.m. onwards, this energy has been lying dormant. It is recording everything that you think, you have experienced, anything that you plan for. It knows everything about you. So in a sense, it knows you more than you know yourself. All right? So we can close this slide. So now, the theory of this, we can go into details later, but the main aim of today's session is to actually have a practical session where you can, if you all are ready, because the founder of Sahaja Yoga has time and again said in her introductory talks, when she gives self-realization and public programs, she says that this cannot be forced upon you. So itni jo thodi si humne introduction li hai, if you all are ready, then we can do a little practical session of getting connected to the all-pervading power and experiencing our yoga, our connection. And इस योग में हमें मैथ्स नहीं चाहिए, कोई आसन नहीं है. This is आराम से बैठना है, कुछ नहीं करना है, बहुत सिंपल छोटे-छोटे स्टेप्स हैं, और वो करके हम देखते हैं कि हमें क्या एक्सपीरियंस होता है. And this basically works through the nervous system, and hopefully you people will feel something at the end of the session. So are we all ready to go ahead with this?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. So we will do this in 3 or 4 steps. Like I told you, we have a left channel of the past, emotions, desires, right channel of the action and our future planning. And whenever there is an imbalance in these channels, when we are too much desiring and not acting, or we are too active and not having enough emotion, there's a disbalance. Similarly, our energy centers get disbalanced, और उसके imbalances से हमें कुछ ना कुछ problems होती हैं. So we need to, थोड़ा सा आपने जाना इस system के बारे में, अब हम इसको cleanse करते हैं, clear करते हैं. उसके लिए पहला स्टेप ये है कि आप दोनों हाथ अपने, अगर आप कुर्सी पे बैठे हैं, सोफे पे बैठे हैं या बेड पे भी बैठे हैं, तो बेड पे बैठे हैं चौकड़ी मार के बैठ सकते हैं, आलती पालती मार के. कुर्सी पे बैठे हैं तो दोनों पाँव को क्रॉस मत करके बैठिए. जस्ट हैव अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ अबाउट 3 to 4 inches between your 2 feet and you can touch the ground if you're sitting on a sofa. उससे अर्थिंग होती है, अर्थ में ग्रेविटी है. एंड आप जैसे भी हैं, सिट अप स्ट्रेट विद योर स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. अगर कोई कुशन का सहारा लेना है तो ले लीजिए, बट हैव योर स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. सो हमने दोनों हाथ अपने
can I request you to come in the center?
Yes. So हमने क्या करना है?
And
हमने
just pull the screen a little towards. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So हम अपने हाथों को comfortably अपने thighs पे रख सकते हैं. Left hand on the left thigh, right hand on the right thigh, comfortably. बहुत आराम से अपनी तरफ pleasant होके, प्रसन्न चित्त होके बैठिए. This meditation will relax you, it will comfort you, and we'll talk about this, your experience at the end of the session. Now, I will, अभी आप आँख खोल के देख लीजिए, उसके बाद I will tell you to close your eyes and we'll do it. और अगर चश्मा पहना है तो चश्मा भी उतार सकते हैं, because जब ये एनर्जी चढ़ती है तो वो आँखों को भी आराम देती है. But feel comfortable. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, it's okay. हम आँख बंद इसलिए करते हैं कि हमारा attention इधर उधर आसपास नहीं जाए. We only hear what we are being told to do and we can just follow the instructions. तो दोनों हाथ शुरू में गोद में रहेंगे. Then I will tell you, left hand गोद में रहने दीजिए और right hand, अगर आप जमीन पे बैठे हैं तो धरती पर रख दीजिए. अगर आप कुर्सी पर बैठे हैं तो धरती की तरफ उसको नीचे की तरफ पॉइंट कर दीजिए. बेड पे बैठे हैं तो बेड पे रख दीजिए. Right hand with your palm facing downwards. Left hand की palm ऐसे रहेगी, palm facing upwards. Right hand की palm ऐसे रहेगी. This is step number 1. ठीक है. Step number 2 में हम ये right hand को अपना गोद में ले आएंगे. ठीक है, ऐसे palm facing upward, and left hand को हम कोनी से मोड़ेंगे. From the elbow we will just bend the left hand at right angles. Fingers will point towards the ceiling. The palm will face backwards. You can see me like this. Yeah. This will be step 2. Step 3 will be, again, both the hands either at the level of the heart or you can place them on the lap comfortably. Then I will tell you to place your right hand on the heart, left hand गोद में रहेगा. Then right hand on the forehead like this, आड़ा रख के, horizontally रख के. I will tell you to press both the temples, both the sides of the forehead, जैसे सिर में दर्द होता है, थोड़ा सा pressure देंगे. And उसके बाद में ये उंगलियों को ऐसे खोल के, तान के, we will put it on the center of the palm. I will ask you to place on the center of the topmost chakra, which is the crown chakra or the Sahasrara chakra. I will tell you to place your palm there. We will give a little pressure downwards and अपने scalp को clockwise massage करना है, बहुत धीरे धीरे, and I will tell you what to say. All right? उसके बाद I will tell you to raise your right hand 2-4 इंच ऊपर, सिर के ऊपर, और देखेंगे कुछ फील होता है सिर में से, तालू भाग से निकलते हुए आपके पाम में कुछ फील हो रहा है. Then we will bring this hand down and we will check with the left hand. All right. Then we can keep our hands on the lap, and then we will meditate for a minute or 2 in silence. So that's what we will do. All right. So now that you've heard, I will keep saying these things so you don't have to remember. अब आप अपना चश्मा उतार दीजिए अगर उतारना चाहते हैं. मैं भी उतार रही हूँ. आंख बंद कर लीजिए. Place both the hands on your lap comfortably, spine straight, and just have a desire inside your heart. ये चीज हमारी डिजायर पर बहुत निर्भर करती है. हम चाहेंगे तो ये होगा, हम नहीं चाहेंगे तो नहीं होगा. सो ज्ञान तो श्री माता जी ने दिया है, मैं आपको बता रही हूं, लेकिन जब तक आप दिल से नहीं करेंगे तो ये शायद नहीं होगा. तो अगर आप खुद को हेल्प करना चाहते हैं, कुछ नया सीखना चाहते हैं, तो अभी सब चीज को साइड में रख के, without any questions, just sit like a little baby, because you are going to connect to your mother energy. So जैसे भोले भाले बच्चे होते हैं, उनको माँ से कुछ चाहिए, तो हमें भी अपनी मदर एनर्जी को अवेकन करना है, उनके प्यार को अपने अंदर महसूस करना है. So just be very comfortable and have a desire कि आज के सेशन में मुझे जो महसूस होना चाहिए, जो मुझे सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन की बिगिनिंग मिलनी चाहिए, योग का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए, वो मुझे प्राप्त हो. जस्ट ये आप अपने अंदर मन में, ये मन ही मन में साइलेंटली आप ये इच्छा कीजिए. दिस इज द ग्रेटेस्ट डिजायर, to be connected to yourself and to be connected to the all-pervading power to get your yoga. Very sincerely, very humbly, like an innocent child asks its mother, Mother, please awaken, Mother Kundalini, Mother Energy, please awaken, please arise, and please let me feel your presence inside me. Hey Ma Kundalini, आप मेरे अंदर हैं, मुझे अभी पता चला, मुझे अपने होने का एहसास दिलाइए, आप कृपा करके जगिए मेरे अंदर और मुझे अपने प्रेम का एहसास दिलाइए, मुझे महसूस कराइए कि आप वाकई में ही अंदर मेरे हैं. अब अपना राइट हैंड आप धरती की तरफ या तो छोड़ दीजिए, जस्ट ड्रॉप योर हैंड टुवर्ड्स द राइट हैंड टुवर्ड्स द मदर अर्थ, और प्लेस योर हैंड palm facing downward or the bed or the sofa or wherever you're sitting. And here request this energy, Mother Kundalini, please clear and cleanse my left channel. हे कुंडलिनी माँ, मेरी बाई नाड़ी को शुद्ध कर दीजिए, संतुलित कर दीजिए, स्वस्थ कर दीजिए, और मेरी बाई नाड़ी में जो भी इम्बैलेंसेस हैं, जो भी सही नहीं है, उसे आप धरती में निकाल के विलीन कर दीजिए. Mother, please remove all negativities, all imbalances from my left channel and let them be sucked in to the Mother Earth by the gravitational force of the Mother Earth. At this time, don't think of anything, but just pay attention to the feeling on your hands. Some of you might start feeling something immediately, like something coming into your left hand and something escaping your right hand into the earth. Mother, please clear, cleanse, and balance my left channel. Now, please bring your right hand onto your lap. Please bend the left hand at the elbow at right angles. If anybody has forgotten, you may open your eyes and just see how I'm doing it. Let your fingers point towards the ceiling, palm facing backward, और इस लेवल पे अपने लेफ्ट हाथ को मोड़िए जहां से आपको दर्द नहीं हो, क्योंकि एक आध मिनट बैठेंगे ऐसे, तो बहुत कंफर्टेबल लेवल पे रखिए. And here say, Mother Energy, Mother Kundalini, please clear my right channel. Mother, please cool down my right channel. and remove all its imbalances, all the excess heat into the sky. जैसे मैंने बताया था, जैसे श्री माता जी ने हमें बताया है कि राइट चैनल इज द चैनल ऑफ आवर एक्शन, फिजिकल एक्शन, मेंटल एक्शन. तो भाग दौड़ रहे हैं, हम इतना तेज भाग रहे थे कि हम नहीं अपने आप को संभाल पा रहे. प्रोबेबली दैट इज द रीजन कि मानवता को एक ब्रेक लगाई. धरती माँ ने बंद कर दिया हम सबको अंदर, एंड बिकॉज इट वांट्स टू हील. सो जब हम बहुत तेज भागते हैं, आप देखिए जब आप बहुत तेज जॉग करते हैं या बहुत तेज करते हैं तो आपको गर्मी लगती है. वो तो फिजिकल थोड़ा सा देर के लिए हम महसूस करते हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं, पंखा चलाते हैं, हम शावर लेते हैं. वी वांट टू कूल आवरसेल्व्स डाउन. सो हमारी राइट नाड़ी इन टुडेज टाइम्स वेयर द पेस ऑफ लाइफ इज सो फास्ट, it is overheated in most of us. Our brains are overworking. We are so stressed out. There's so much of tension. There's so much of anxiety. And these days, there's so much of fear and uncertainty. So इसकी वजह से जो भी excess heat है, जो भी reactions हैं, जो भी हमारे अंदर हो रहा है, उसको जब निकलने का रास्ता नहीं मिलता, तो वो अंदर ही अंदर रह के हमारे शरीर के जो भी हमारा वीक हिस्सा है, जो भी ज्यादा वल्नरेबल हिस्सा है, उस पे जाके वो अटैक करता है और उस बॉडी के पार्ट में हमें फिर प्रॉब्लम्स होती है. सो इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि ये जो भी हमारे अंदर बाय प्रोडक्ट है हमारी फास्ट पेस लाइफ का, इसको निकलने का रास्ता मिलना चाहिए. तो जब हम ऐसे लेफ्ट हैंड को आकाश की तरफ करते हैं, आपको सबको मालूम है कि जो हीट है, जो स्टीम है, वो सब ऊपर की तरफ जाता है, आग भी ऊपर की तरफ जाती है. तो ऐसे ही हमारे राइट साइड में या राइट नाड़ी पर जो भी एक्सेस हीट है, जो भी स्ट्रेस है, वो आकाश में निकल जाता है. द लेफ्ट हैंड बिकम्स द चिमनी एंड द राइट हैंड से हम एनर्जी ले रहे हैं यूनिवर्स की, and it goes inside. The mother energy is cleansing. Our right side को clear करके सब कुछ इकट्ठा करके left hand से आकाश में फेंक देती है. At this time also pay attention to the sensation on the hands. हो सकता है आप में से कुछ लोगों को या सबको राइट हैंड में कुछ आता महसूस हो और लेफ्ट हैंड से आकाश में जाता महसूस हो. नहीं भी हो रहा महसूस तो कोई बात नहीं, कुंडलिनी अपना काम कर रही है. आपने उससे रिक्वेस्ट करी है. शी इज योर मदर. व्हेन यू आर टेलिंग हर, रिक्वेस्टिंग हर, शी रिस्पॉन्ड्स टू योर रिक्वेस्ट्स. हे कुंडलिनी माँ, प्लीज कूल डाउन माय राइट साइड. प्लीज बैलेंस माय राइट साइड. प्लीज मेक माय राइट साइड हेल्थी. अब ऐसा करके ये हाथ भी नीचे ले आइए, गोद में ले आइए, आराम से रखिए. And here, the tension on the central channel, here just say, please, Mother Energy, please awaken, please arise along my central channel, clear my inner system, and please give me complete balance. Again, let the Kundalini do its work. हमने request कर दिया. Don't think of anything. अगर कोई विचार आ रहा है, don't pay attention to the vichar. Let it go. Just pay attention to sensation anywhere in the body, in your hands or anywhere. Mother Energy, Mother Kundalini, please awaken, please arise along my central channel and come into my heart. Now place your right hand on the heart. Left hand god mein hi rahega. Keeping your left hand on your thigh, put your right hand on your heart. And here say, Mother Kundalini, please come into my heart. Please help me feel your love in my heart. मैंने आपको थोड़ा पहले बताया था कि inside our heart is the reflection of the Param Atma in the form of our own Atma, our own spirit. So यहाँ पे आप 2 या 3 बार silently कहिए, I am the pure spirit. I am the pure spirit. I'm not this body, I'm not this mind, I'm not my conditionings, I'm not my habits, I'm not my ego, I am the pure spirit. ये हम इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि बाकी सारी चीजें पेरिशेबल हैं, आत्मा कभी मरता नहीं है. It is the eternal part of us. So we are affirming, I am the pure spirit. Now take your hand on the forehead, across the right hand on your forehead, across, दोनों तरफ से forehead को दबाइए, जैसे सिर में दर्द होता है. And here say, without thinking of anyone in particular, without remembering anything that's happened in your life, in general, just say, I forgive everyone for everything. I also forgive myself. मैं सबको सब चीज के लिए क्षमा करता हूं, करती हूं. मैं स्वयं को भी क्षमा करती हूं. ऐसा 1 या 2 बार दिल से कह दीजिए. बस कहना मात्र ही काफी है. By your grace, Mother Kundalini, I forgive everybody, I forgive everyone, and I forgive myself. ये बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि जब हम forgive नहीं करते हैं तो हम वो बोझा उठाए, 10 साल पहले ये हुआ था, इसने मुझे ये कहा था, वो रंजिशें हम अपने अंदर लिए बैठे हैं, फिर वो दिमाग दिल पे असर करती है. तो माफ कर दीजिए. और जब हम खुद को माफ नहीं करते हैं तो हम गिल्टी फील करते हैं. तो हमें गिल्टी भी नहीं फील करना है और हमें दूसरों को लेट गो, लाइक वी से लिव एंड लेट गो, जस्ट लेट गो. I forgive everyone for everything, I forgive myself. Because श्री माता जी ने बताया है कि जब हम इस all pervading power से connect होने जा रहे हैं, which is the power of the Almighty, the power of our Creator. So this Almighty God is so loving, is so forgiving. तो हम कोई ऐसी गलती कर ही नहीं सकते जो जिसकी माफी हमें नहीं मिल सकती. तो जब हमें माफी चाहिए तो हमें दूसरों को भी माफ करना. माफ कर दीजिए. Last step. Now we will put the palm of our right hand, fingers को outstretch करके सिर के तालू भाग पे. ये तालू भाग बचपन में सॉफ्ट होता है, पल्सेट करता है, like the heartbeat. यहाँ पे प्रेस करके स्कैल्प को, सिर की चमड़ी को क्लॉकवाइज, जैसे 12, 1, 2 ऐसे क्लॉकवाइज धीरे धीरे घुमाएंगे, प्रेशर देके, like a massage. And each time silently say, please let me have my true yoga. Please bless me with my self-realization. Please give me my connection to the all-pervading main power of the universe. ये कोई भी चीज आप या तीनों रिपीट कर सकते हैं. Mother energy, please come to my top of my head. Please open my crown chakra. Please connect me to the all-pervading power of the universe. Please give me my true yoga. Please bless me with my self-realization. ऐसे करने के बाद सिर को थोड़ा सा नीचे की तरफ झुका के, बिल्कुल हल्का सा, अपना राइट हैंड आप 2, 3, 4 इंच अपने सिर के ऊपर ले जाइए. And just pay attention carefully. If you can catch an energy emanating from the top of your head and touching your palm. आप अपने हाथ की हथेली को थोड़ा सा, बहुत धीरे धीरे ऊपर नीचे, लेफ्ट राइट मूव कर सकते हैं, just so that you are able to catch and feel this energy. Some of you might feel it. It may be warm, it may be cool. You can bring this hand down back on your lap. Take your left hand on top of the head. Touch the palm of the left hand onto your scalp. थोड़ा सा दबाइए, यहाँ घुमाने की जरूरत नहीं है, just दबाइए. And then raise the left hand again, 2 to 4 inches above the head. And again, try and see if you can feel something. and just make note of it. क्या महसूस हुआ, वो जब हम बाद में आंख खोलेंगे, then we will talk about it. फिलहाल just make note of it. थोड़ा सा हाथ घुमा सकते हैं ऊपर नीचे साइड में, बट धीरे धीरे, बिकॉज बहुत थोड़े से तार, कुंडलनी जो है, जो रस्सी की तरह है, गुथी हुई है, उसके थोड़े से तार ही उठते हैं पहली दफा, और वो चक्रों को क्रॉस करते हैं, नाड़ियों को क्रॉस करते ऊपर आते हैं, तो बहुत हल्का सा फील होता है, और कईयों को नहीं भी फील होता, कोई बात नहीं। दोनों हाथ, ये इस हाथ को भी गोद में ले आइए, और अभी मैं आधे 1 मिनट के लिए मैं बोलूंगी नहीं। Gaurav, can you put that music on? Gaurav will play some instrumental music. अपना अटेंशन सिर के ऊपर रखिए, जहां पे अभी आपने फील किया, 2-4 इंच ऊपर सिर पे रखिए, जहां पे कुंडलनी निकल के इस परम शक्ति से जुड़ती है, वहां पे रह के, विदाउट, जस्ट हियर द म्यूजिक एंड एंजॉय द म्यूजिक। अगर कोई विचार आए तो विचार को कहिए आई फॉरगिव, या नॉट दिस, ये नहीं चाहिए विचार, नहीं नहीं, नेति नेति, any of these. time when I would want you to share anything that any of you felt during this little practical workout that we did. किसी को कुछ हाथों में, कुछ स्पाइन में, बॉडी में कहीं पे भी, सिर के ऊपर कुछ भी महसूस हुआ, तो प्लीज शेयर करना चाहें तो it would be nice for us to share and know from each other as to what everybody felt.
Before anybody begins, let me only tell you about it. That this is practically the first time that I've actually sat through a session, and I never kind of expected the kind of feelings or the kind of energy that was kind of flowing through. And I'm still in a little bit of a daze right now. I think all that energy flow is kind of, it's kind of.
रितु जी आपकी वॉइस कम आ रही है, माइक प्लीज.
Now can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. So as I said, I'm still in a bit of a daze right now because all that energy flow and all that has really kind of affected me. And I never expected it because I've never done it earlier. But I could actually feel my palms kind of, feeling that warm energy flow when I kept it over my head, or even when I was kind of, keeping it on my lap. And I will also be very honest with you that थोड़ा सा skepticism होता है because when you've never done it, you kind of say कि हाँ ये कहने की बातें हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. But overall, there is this very different feeling right now. In fact, just because I have to come and show that I've kind of, I've started speaking. Otherwise, I would just like to be left a little alone right now for about another 10-15 minutes with no one talking to me and kind of just letting me assimilate everything that's just happened right now. So I think that has been.
This is absolutely a wonderful experience. This just goes to prove that your system got triggered into activity and it made itself felt. Like I said, it's a living process that gets triggered through a living energy, which is your own mother. And when you request this energy to cleanse you, to clear you, first of all, on the left side here, it comforts you. And that's why you felt this, Skepticism hoga because ye kabhi feel nahi hua hai. तो शरीर में हरकत हुई है. And like I said, living energy. Like for example, जब हम गाड़ी को स्टार्ट करते हैं, हम तो चाबी लगाते हैं ना, इग्निशन ऑन करते हैं, तो करंट दौड़ता है मशीनरी में and the car starts. Yeah. So similarly, हमारे अंदर आज ये seed है हमारे अंदर जो dormant था, it has sprouted. Similarly, in the other words, this body is a living machine. इसमें आज ignition on हुआ है. And this energy has flowed through the body and comforted you. And you see, we are enveloped by this all-pervading power, but we were not connected to it, and we never even paid attention to it. So ये जो कुंडलिनी energy है, this becomes, like I told you, जैसे हम phone लेके आते हैं, कोई भी machinery लेके आते हैं, television है, उसके अंदर उसका पूरा hardware, software है, and then we also use some external softwares. So we have this whole system inside us since our birth. The Kundalini is like a coiled rope inside you, coiled energy. So it uncoils, and when it goes up like this through the spine, it becomes the cord. तो जैसे आप फोन को चार्ज करते हैं, तो कॉर्ड का एक हिस्सा फोन के हार्डवेयर में जाता है और एक हिस्सा मेन पावर में जाता है. जब हम उसको सॉकेट में लगाते हैं, वॉल सॉकेट, तो वो चार्ज होता है. तो हमारा भी कनेक्शन इस मेन एनर्जी से हुआ और आपकी चार्जिंग हुई. वो एनर्जी जब वापस आपके अंदर जाती है फ्रॉम दिस क्राउन चक्र, आफ्टर इट गेट्स कनेक्टेड, इट गोज बैक, it comforts, it kind of nourishes the whole subtle system, and you feel this sense of calm, you feel the sense of aram, like you said that you don't want to be disturbed, you enjoyed the feeling and you just wanted to be in that state. So this is a wonderful, wonderful state that you've experienced, and because you've experienced it, you will be able to vouch for it कि हाँ मुझे जरूर फील हुआ. अब क्या फील हुआ, ये सही है गलत है, उसको छोड़ दो, but the fact that you felt something is wonderful. Congratulations.
Thank you, and all thanks to you.
Anybody else?
think I'll just leave
Share
it with other
experience
people.
in Raj Yoga, we are learning, because here I would like to say that every human being will feel this difference. Why? ये 7
I
चक्र
think more,
3 नाड़ियां सब में है, लेकिन उनकी स्थिति हर इंसान के अंदर अलग है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आवर जेनेटिक्स, आवर एनवायरनमेंट, आवर एक्सपीरियंसेस. देयरफॉर जब ये कुंडलिनी शक्ति जब चढ़ती है, तो ये आपकी अपनी स्थिति जो पर्सनल स्थिति है, उसको जब क्लेंस, क्लियर, प्योरीफाई करती है, तो उसके आपके पर्सनल उससे आपको वो फीलिंग अलग से देती है. तो नो टू एक्सपीरियंस पीपल विल हैव द सेम एक्सपीरियंस एट द सेम टाइम. इट्स जस्ट लाइक टेक एन एग्जांपल, जैसे हम सबकी 2 आंखें हैं, 2 कान हैं, 32 दांत हैं, और बट सबकी शक्ल फर्क है, सबके टेम्परामेंट्स फर्क हैं. बेसिक तो चीज वही है ना. ऐसे ही हमारे ये पूरा सटल सिस्टम का बेस सबके पास वही है, उसकी स्थिति और उसका परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन अलग है, and that is why each one feels differently. That is your own very own personal experience.
I want to say something, ma'am.
Yes, please do.
When you said let your right hand go down, and then you said please cleanse me from inside, something like that you said. I don't know whether it is psychological or whatever. The whole I have cough and all, but when I sat here today, it was nothing, no cough, nothing. But when you said please cleanse me from inside, I had 2 times I had to go and clear my throat, और बहुत कफ निकला. But I don't know, is it connected with this or not?
This energy heals you from within. हम cleanse
सबसे थोड़ा गले में ये
गया तो आपको आराम लगेगा ना. तो this is
जी जी.
तो ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें निकलती हैं. अब कई दफा आपको लगेगा कि मैंने ये किया तो मुझे ना ये फील हुआ, मुझे मेरी थोड़ी सी ढीली हो रही है. यू नो, वो ढीली नहीं हो रही, उससे डरना नहीं है, बिकॉज आपके अंदर जो इकट्ठा हुआ है ना, जो वैसे नहीं निकल पा रहा है, वो ये एनर्जी पुश करती है. यू नो, तो वो जिस चीज को प्योरीफाई कर सकती है, प्योरीफाई करती है. जिस चीज को निकाल सकती है हमारे शरीर से, फिजिकली निकालती है. जो चीज सटल चीजें हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल नींद नहीं आती है, या हमें घबराहट होती है. आजकल ये लॉकडाउन पीरियड है, क्या होगा, एंजाइटी है, हम सब सीनियर सिटीजन्स हैं, पता नहीं आगे की जिंदगी. तो वो जो फियर है, वो फियर भी निकाल देगी. यू नो, सो जहां जहां जो चीज हमारे वो माँ हमारे को जानती है अंदर से, तो वो वहीं जाके
जी
काम करती है, निकाल देती है.
Thank you. This was my first experience. Thank you, ma'am.
और कोई शेयर करना? अब देखिए, आपने शेयर किया, आपका एक्सपीरियंस वाज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ऋतुज एक्सपीरियंस. तो ऐसे होता, क्योंकि आपके अंदर की स्थिति जो है वो कुंडलिनी जानती है, वो आपको उसी हिसाब से क्लियर करेगी, तो पर्सनलाइज्ड हीलिंग और बैलेंसिंग देती है. So what is your need? Anybody else, please?
Feeling on my right palm.
What are you feeling?
Hello.
Yes. What are you feeling, sir?
I felt a cool feeling on my palm when I had my palm towards the ground.
Okay, very good.
And when I was, turning it on top of my head, again I got that cool feeling on my right palm.
Very good. Feeling of cool is very, very positive. जब हमारे अंदर सफाई हो रही होती है, तो वो सफाई कैसे होता है? जैसे सपोज आप सोचिए, हम कोई भी चीज साफ करते हैं, हम बर्तन को साफ प्रेशर दे के मांजते हैं. यू नो, फ्रिक्शन क्रिएट होता है, हीट निकलती है, फ्रिक्शन में हीट होती है. बट अगर आपका सिस्टम मोर और लेस बैलेंस में है, तो आपकी हीट नहीं निकलेगी, आपको कूल फीलिंग होगा. That feeling of coolness is very nice. That you're more or less okay, both on the left. अगर left में feel हुआ या right में feel हुआ, दोनों में feel हुआ, congratulations.
Right में हुआ.
जो भी आप, जैसा भी lifestyle आपका है, जो भी आप अपना ख्याल रख रहे हैं, you're doing what you're doing is right. But it told you that coolness है, coolness is good. Anybody else? किसी को
Yes, madam. We both, me and my wife, want to share with you.
Yes.
It was very relaxing and very scientific. And since separating body from the soul, I have been experiencing the last 30 years. I am a disciple of Hare Krishna consciousness.
Okay.
So this I got from my Guruji, that you are a pure soul. That I am already practicing for 30 years. So it has really motivated me that whatever I learned, you have given me a certificate.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ma'am, would you like to say something?
Yeah, it was very relaxing. Yeah.
Comforting. First thing it does is, क्योंकि हम बहुत थके हुए हैं अंदर से, सारी उम्र हमने
बहुत relaxing. Yeah, it was very
हल्का फील करते हैं and we just feel relaxed. So on the left side it comforts you. बहुत लोगों को तो लगता है कि मैं सो जाऊं, मुझे नींद आ रही है.
हाँ, ऐसा ही लग रहा है. सही कह रहे हैं.
Very good. I'm very, very happy to hear these responses. And this only goes to prove कि आप लोगों ने दिल से किया, और जब दिल से हम करते हैं तो हम कोई भी चीज कहते हैं ना, हम बड़े भी हो रहे थे तो हमारी मम्मी बोलती थी दिल से करो, दिल से पढ़ाई करो. तो दिल से करेंगे तो it really works.
Thank
you ma'am.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. अच्छा, जो हमने लेफ्ट राइट क्लियरेंस किया, ये मैंने गौरव को थोड़ा सा पिक्टोरियल वे में वो स्लाइड्स दे दी हैं. तो मोहा टीम विल जस्ट गिव इट टू यू ऑन योर इंडिविजुअल इंफॉर्मेशन. तो जस्ट फॉर आपको, अगर वैसे तो रिसर्च योगा में अगर आपको कुछ भी ना याद रहे, तो मतलब जैसे कुछ भी याद ना रहे, तो आप बस सिर्फ हाथ खोल के बैठिए, अपनी कुंडलिनी माँ से बोलिए मैं नया हूँ इस चीज में, नई हूँ, मुझे कुछ ज्यादा आता नहीं है, आप मेरी माँ हैं, जगिए अंदर, और आज मुझे जो एक्सपीरियंस कराना चाहती है कराइए. दिल पे हाथ रख लीजिए. मदर में इमोशन है, माँ का प्यार है, माँ दिल में आ जाइए, अपना प्यार कराइए. थोड़ा सा इसको पुश कर, क्योंकि ये ग्रेविटी के अगेंस्ट जाती है, जस्ट यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ऐसे दबा दीजिए, एंड देन पुट योर हैंड्स ऑन द लैप एंड जस्ट से give me the simple meditation.
I have a point for Ritu ji.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
रितु जी, आई सजेस्ट कि मैडम के साथ एक सेशन और हो जाए जब 14 अप्रैल के बाद आपके ऑफिस में.
Definitely, I'll request her, and I'm sure she's not going to say no to this.
Never.
And I have already also told her that, you know, in case we all kind of get into it, maybe we could have one every week, or maybe, you know, in 10 days time or something.
Yeah.
So you know, just a small 1 hour session. So we already, in fact, like I said, we just happened to connect on this platform only. And while we've been talking and discussing, this just came into play, and I don't know what destiny had written, because though we were talking and she said मैंने ये सब कभी नहीं करा, मैं public में नहीं बोलती हूँ, मुझे नहीं आता है, and you know, all those things. I have been telling her that she speaks very well.
Yeah.
But then there was this,
Thank you.
and
इनके एक्चुअली बोलने में वाइब्रेशंस आ रही थी.
absolutely,
उसी से मेरे को लगा कि आई हैव कम ऑन द राइट टाइम.
ये वाइब्रेशन तो आपने बहुत सही वर्ड यूज किया, मैंने तो एनर्जी वर्ड किया. आपने बिल्कुल, जैसे होता है ना हिट द बुल्सआई, ये जो पावर से हम कनेक्ट होते हैं, ये पावर वापस जब हमारे शरीर में आता है, नाउ we become the instruments of receiving this power and transmitting this power. When we feel this power on our body, in our hands, it is referred to as vibrations. All right. Now another piece of advice I would like to give you, कि जब भी आपका दिल करे, कल चाहे, परसों चाहे, जैसा भी चाहे आप, एक और छोटा सा सेशन हम कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल ऐसा इनफॉर्मल. So, but I would sincerely and humbly request you कि आप ये थोड़ा सा कल सुबह या आज रात को सोने से पहले just 2 मिनट हाथ खोल के अपनी एनर्जी से रिक्वेस्ट करें कि आज हमने ये सीखा, अब आप अगेन जगिए, आप ऊपर आइए, और रात को हमको अच्छी नींद दीजिए, you know, so that we sleep well. कल सुबह और कल शाम को 10 मिनट लगा के, 5 मिनट लगा के आप ये करिए, and see how you feel, you know. लेकिन करिए जरूर. जैसे हम रोज नहाते हैं, रोज स्नान करते हैं ना, ऊपर की बॉडी को साफ करते हैं, ये जो अंदर के चक्र और नाड़ियों पे बहुत सालों की काई जमी हुई, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आवर एक्सपीरियंसेस, तो उनके इफेक्ट को निकालना बहुत जरूरी है. तो जैसे हम रोज नहाते हैं, रोज खाना खाते हैं, रोज एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, फिजियोथेरेपी करते हैं, इसको भी अपने एक दिनचर्या का एक छोटा सा पार्ट बना लिए. 5 minutes is enough to start with, you know, and then see how you feel throughout the day. See how you feel at the end of the day. आज करिए, कल दोपहर तक करिए, and then we'll see. Whenever you want a session, if you want it tomorrow, you want it day after, we'll have a session. But it all depends upon what you want. But you please do it, you know.
Yeah.
Because
Thank you once again.
छोटा सा बीज है, वो अंकुरित हुआ है. अब उसको थोड़ा सा खाद पानी देना है हमने, मतलब उसको थोड़ा सा हमने बैठना है. तो हम अगर प्रेम करते हैं अपने आप से, हम अपने लिए कर रहे हैं. तो if we love ourselves, we would want to benefit, you know, we want to help ourselves. So this power of the Almighty will help us if we are willing to help ourselves. So with that, I think we should wrap it up. If anybody has any further questions or queries or doubts, skepticism, yes, hoga, naye mein hoga ki ye kya hua, you know. But don't worry about it. Don't feel afraid. Nothing. It's a mother's energy. Just loves. It is your own mother's energy. 24/7 with you. मेरी मम्मी नहीं है अब मेरे साथ में. हम सब की mothers शायद नहीं है. But this mothering energy, which loves, which cares, which guides, which nurtures, which protects, is there with you. So this system is your inner support system, which you can tap into anytime. दिन में कभी आपको कुछ महसूस हो, घबराहट महसूस हो, insecurity महसूस हो, कुछ महसूस हो, just say Mother Kundalini, मुझे ये महसूस, talk to this energy. Mother Kundalini, मुझे ये महसूस हो रहा है, माँ मुझे ये महसूस हो रहा है, ये निकाल दीजिए, ये मेरे अंदर से निकाल दीजिए. And then just take your attention here and be like that for half a minute, and you will feel instant relief coming.
And with that, I think we will end today's session. And thank you so much, Neelamji, for coming at such a short notice, first of all. And I think today's session was so enlightening and so fruitful. Personally, as I said, I'm also feeling the effects of it, and so is everyone else. In fact, I'm a little surprised Colonel Puri has not given his inputs as yet.
No, what exactly has happened at the end, you know, I had an urgent call, so I had to just leave in between. So I just came in between. In fact, I would like, you know, to thank her for a wonderful, you know, talking to us. And
Feeling very thankful. So it's mutual.
Thank you very much.
Have a good night.
Right. Thank you, everyone. And Neelamji, a big thank you to you. And believe you me, I don't know how this has come across today. Like, though we just started talking 3 days, 4 days back, and you know, today you're here, and everything just kind of fell into place. Unfortunately, Dr. Shukla was unable to join us today for some reason, and at the last minute you kind of pitched in. But I think all of us really loved the session, and like they said, we would love to have some more of it. So we will work on that also. And thank you so much
Again,
for sharing all this with us.
Yeah, whatever I have learned, it's not my thing. I have also learned from Mother. She's the teacher. So we've got to just be, so in that said, we can just put both our hands together like this, all of us. Yeah. And इसका एक और मतलब भी होता है, हम left और right को जब इकट्ठे लाते हैं तो हम एक तरह से center करते हैं. So that is the way, this is the meaning of Namaste also.
So we are going to do it to you.
The gesture of balancing and centering ourselves. And another Namaste is Nama Asti. Like I said, I'm the spirit. So my spirit bows to the spirit in you. So that's another meaning of Namaste, you know.
So, but we will say thank you to you, because you brought all this to us, and to your teacher who's given it to you. But for us, you are our guru on this. So thank you so much, and good night to everyone. Sorry, you were saying something.
I said good night to everybody too.
Right.
I
so
enjoyed being with you all. Thank you.
So thank you so much, everyone, for being here. And I'm sure you all will agree with me that we had a very enlightening session today, and we hope to get some more of it. And tomorrow being a Sunday, we don't meet. But Monday onwards, we are back on More TV with our 8 o'clock session with the physiotherapy and the 11 o'clock session with the doctor. 4 o'clock, we have a dietitian's talk, and 8 o'clock, I see you all again. Right? So good evening, good night. Have a nice weekend. Relax. Please practice Sahaj Yoga. And we meet with a brighter smile and more relaxed state of mind on Monday.
Weekend also at home only.
Good night.
Weekend at home, yes.
Gaurav, you can play that, put that last slide on, the last one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Just for them to have a little look, and I'll probably read it because it might be, might be a little.
Ma'am, please check it.
Yeah, I'm checking. Or you can read it. Ritu, you can read this slide.
Yeah, why silence is important, that one?
Yes.
Wait.
Should I?
I'll just, no, I'll just read it out. Just 1 second. Give me a second. I'll just read it out.
Okay, I have it in front of me. I have it.
Okay,
so,
okay.
बोला था कि आप अपना attention सिर के ऊपर रखिए और try and be in silence. Yeah? And if any thoughts come, just say I forgive. नहीं चाहिए, माफ किया, and the thought will go away. So why silence is important? This is what Mother says, the teacher of Sahaja Yoga. She says meditation is the only way you can grow, because when you meditate, you are in silence. Sahaja Yoga meditation means you have to be in a state of thoughtless awareness. Means thoughts come hai, but yet you are aware. आपके आसपास क्या चल रहा है, वो आपको disturb नहीं कर रहा, but आप वाकिफ हैं उससे. You are aware of that. Try to reach that point which is just silence, and the silence will make you really powerful, because this silence is not only yours. When you are in that silence, you are in the silence of the cosmos, and the silence of the cosmos works for you. You are in connection with that cosmic power. So true meditation will only happen when you are connected. Even if आप 10 मिनट बैठे हैं, उस 10 मिनट में अगर आपने 2 सेकंड भी उस एरिया को टच कर लिया अपनी अटेंशन से, that is the first step. You have made a great leap forward. And वो जब आप रोज करेंगे तो ये जो 2 सेकंड हैं 4 सेकंड में होंगे, and then the interval between thoughts will keep increasing, and the period of silence will keep increasing.
Chaliye, right. Thank you so much once again, everyone, and see you all on Monday, 8 o'clock. Good night.
Thank you, Ritu. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ritu. Thank you so much. Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Bye, bye.
Take care.
Bye, everybody.
All of you take care.
Namaste.